Okay, Abusuya, Kpandai Supreme Court on senseminar. Abusuya, there is much interesting moment ahead. Abusuya, na asono krano, mi ankasano, mystery. Mystery, and papa, na. And American, there is much interesting moment ahead. Abusuya, Sambekaya, Supreme Court a ruling in favor of Matthew Nyandam, NPP, candidate. Kpandai rerun na eba bekoso na say Supreme Court kwashe yes rerun na eba bekoso no but mama yen customer mind back na bibi babisi sa bibi kro na eba bisi no abusuya ebi mo be sorry ewo ekwan a sa nioma we nyina efa so esi no mama yen konko tea time a Supreme Court a ruling in favor of Matthew Nyandam and then nsema or the Tudane ba ye de aka ba beto amoso.
God has spoken emphatically that the decision of the Tamale High Court was made without jurisdiction, and so the court has quashed it and is hereby quashed. So Honorable Nyandam still remains the MP of the people of Kpandai. So we call it still maintained.
To thank my lawyers and also use this opportunity to thank the Supreme Court judges for the ruling, because it's clear that the people wanted to change the will of the people of Kpandai, but the Supreme Court has affirmed the will of the people, and I'm most grateful to them. I also want to thank the party from the head to the bottom, that is national, regional, and the constituency, for the support they've given me. And the people of Kpandai, I'm sure that when you are in Kpandai today, you will see the joy of the people.
Now, Abusuya Matthew Nyandam, and I say, or this are ensem to Jano na NDC legal team no, or my very wild. Mobekaya, ye babe breaking or had the mom say, omo a file and I say, court no, actually with some crooked gazetted documents be. Ye babe breaking or had the mom. Na sa crooked gazetted documents no, Abusuya Electoral Commission, NPP ama. Mami J. Mensa and call for omo betray NPP big time. Omo Oche say, ono no de ekosubia no sa gazetted results NPP crooked document no. Onim ho hwe wa proper inside den every ho. Abusuya enti no Electoral Commissioner NPP ede ne ho ato no so no. Na waye ajeman na chese ode protect NPP no ohwe baby a case ne keka kwa abusuya Electoral Commission puli out or chese case na ekoso NPP document omo file ni ade nyina ono no oni mo hwe wa man nsa so enti NPP fo nko na omo nko keka omo nsem yi na utie ensema lawyer NDC lawyer bedi akon ade tudwa akwatia MP ono na akwatia by elections course no ono na chese orene wa akwatia na utie ensema lawyer bedi akon ka ne loopholes wo sa NPP crooked document omo file ko da Supreme Court abusuya na o say o file case na wankasa o ye lawyer na o file case na wankasa o ya aware say asem affidavit na o file no enye no kre enima page abusuya Momi yanko na yanko nkwiti ensema lawyer bidi akon edebetu jana unsubscribe ya subscribe like na share ma afofron so ensa into me enkabi Ghana Politics Avenue. So and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that any updates be able dropping no onso onsa ebi to me akabi medamase
se oma mfasa ade we ankoda da court na enka Mr. Nyandam Mr. Daniel ipa anka on withdraw the petition no we no the call Tamale High Court na ma already draw the initial petition he received
on the 6th no ma gazette results the way
yes or no chese on the 6th no ma gazette or more gazette on the 6th there na is all file in the 23rd and is all file in gazette So on the omo ekoye no. So the question now is, sir, adie we when this is a photocopy of what they filed in the Tamale High Court. We will not let this rest. They should tell us where they got the electoral commission. So many publishing form so yes, so many more. Baby, they should tell us.
Is your name
way? And on what I'll say, the second interested party filed an affidavit to which he attached a gazette, the same as Exhibit 11. Yeah, Exhibit 2. This is Kpandai. To any original, no. Na me kire onia ma bi wo hwe eniam omo ye no ho ehun na kro imu ohun eyi Kpandai ni
na hu se Kpandai sho
good Kpandai is in hwe number no
8123
good hwade wa ha enya clear papa but wo be hwa
ma me he
hwe niye ena dasoro
esoro he
Kpandai ni
na ono so number na was to ha se no mo me twa na ma zoom in out to the train abotama edwuma ye ya no Abba. Oh, you know, no said them. Ah.
Genie.
Ghana Gazette 24 December 8123. Okay.
The access our page, you know, and I'm going to reproduce you. And into the Captain, the date we are saying
7 December.
There be 7 December no year results. But date on the years
24th December.
Into which ocean Hannah. And yet clear, but say we
any 7th the show. 7th December. What's that, Chairman? We're a lawyer. Oh, I never tell me the way.
Captain, Ren Kofo, we Adia Kofo, we Timian. Now, the same thing on me, Wakweti, and two better Sakweti. You see, you know what happened? After the court ruled, we had filed a criminal way against Yura and Escumi. That's the truth. Say, on Metre baby, Onya, Sa Gazette, you. It's back and forth now in Yankopon. It's unfortunate. But the same thing, and I'm filing what all the cases are, NDC they call court. It is the same. The Supreme Court has not even, and they don't have the jurisdiction to go in to say, Obi we are Bemo and Obi we are almost head data there. It is say, when on the court that are court now, a man, Mr. Daniel, no, I would
say, and true, that's just what other court. And a document and also genuine.
For fraud, no. It's fraud and perjury. And both are second-degree felonies. If you are convicted, you can never be an assemblyman ground individual because it borders on morality.
And say, "Are they way no? Munjem
Captain, what else? Some week here, and Supreme Court today, reasoning never. Young Henry ABC.
I said, me by me said that they be a minion and Kamebusana. Yamin Chadi and never bay. So the by-election, I don't buy.
No question.
Eti mete Kpandai said by-election in Yamba, son, I'm saying, I'm going to with MP, mommy. How did you feel?
Well, so maybe what's your phobia? Kpandai, yes. Kpandai someone be braina ni akwetia ese papa. In fact, na wie kra wo Supreme Court no decision na omo base wo so kese pa ya akwetia case no. Coincidentally, no, Akwetia case, no, me na ye lead counsel, NDC candidate Yura Yadomwache. Me am the lawyer for him, Edifi, Kofredia High Court, Akupi Supreme Court. It's minimum 70 years pa. Na adia de Kpandai, ensemi ba ye ya batu na say, Captain, some no nipa bi nchiremu ye.
Kpandai issues no.
Nipa nchiremu ye. Onim. Kpandai asem no ye ma yewura eko file petition no ene nsem de kodan high court wo Tamale no obo ne tofa na asem no nia ne se yato abawie emra no kan CI na ekire ekwan a yemfa abato no nkeka bomu a ye de be declare results no yemfa mfa so ACI 127 no a chair say and as all kind election petition course or Ghana Supreme Court 2013 I can say omoma judgment no say who won same fa results ne ho a first and foremost eso raise your coalition center na polling station who raise na say near course no wani anje ho ana say nyom resolve wani anje ho a captain na dia to aso e dia call high court but this is what happened Kpandai no di dwumani ne awie na NDC candidate no ewo issues wo polling station over 40 ho enu nti o ma prepare say ye coalition center on be raise wo ho na electoral commission ahwe anajo na electoral commission penifo omunim say captain ka studio ha ne eba be coalition center because emrano say e define coalition center to be a place electoral commission Ajia tumza hania no ma watro dia ma candidate ne sa hania be coalition center nti muni amunhia yen wo anadona na electoral commission for so ma sesa baby ayeye coalition no e dia ko baby NDC candidate no onim e no mo akọ ye no mkokoye coalition e declare ye say yewra nyindam e na win election NDC fo ni ho tienie
samom na koye
sasam na ase ania no NDC phone ho no mkoko declare say ya wie bibia pin sheet ni ya wie declaration sheet ni nti ya wie NDC ni no any ho nso ma declare. So now the NDC candidate went to court and no challenges said no amongst me won some 40 polling stations over 40 something but you see and some no I should have been given an opportunity a year coalition center ho na me raise ho coalition center they call baby aminim ni do obi ani ho and Omakwa declare oh baby. Iti emreni anso ni sombo pacha emrebia the right to be heard. In yani root if the Bible say unyankopon kran sana obua Adam fono obisa no tie no. Iti the right to be heard na a principle a cardinal ewo a law. Iti court no hwe asem no hu say no kwasem ne say the right to be heard no was breached. One ne kwan na so we issue kra wa raise wo ho no na court say on the basis of that declaration we twem enti no monko ye twa declaration mu a obi anya NPP onti enkoto aba no fofo now in the file petition on sometime 23rd no na let me say this say o court time ran no see I ne ka say you gazette result na answer but you see that is a presumption sebi Obian ho ko me ma file petition akọ the highest apex court pen. Obian ho ko court or ko kra gazette notification say ko kire say ya gazette answer. It's a presumption by a rebuttable. It is a lawyer on the other side now person who raise issue say ya gazette ya wo wa say yes obe raise aba. Because normally you to aba by 7 you to by 9 you declare. It is normally electoral commission by achekra by 15-20 before anze be Christmas normal gazette results. So Mr. Daniel Eko file, Honorable Daniel Eko file in the petition. Now came, and I have the document here, now came the NPP candidate who filed processes or no etrimuno or say, Sa 23rd na Yewra Daniel file a petition, Sabreno, near Gazette results in Tino, or filing prematurely into court and was into no file is affidavit de kra me e de kan ho na me kire wade ho e no de kodan Tamale High Court no enti lawyer ne file you on behalf of Mr. Nyindam e no file ye e na de bar sebe lawyer fo ni e ho chi say lawyer file ade a e den say an official document me gina aka say e fake enti ye gi yahudi say lawyer bi enye sa enti ye de sa na e fa enti Mr. Daniel lawyers no nia Yewra Nyindam ne lawyer for a file say omo attach an exhibit of a gazette. This is what they filed in Tamale. Say ye gazette Kpandai election results on the 6th of January. This is an exhibit. Captain here exhibit JSE3 way in Tamale High Court. This is the exhibitor. This is the official gazette. Omanfa we view. No, the photocopy be say no, they attach it. These are the records in the Tamale High Court. It's here running who no say, hey, say na your gazette results na me file a petition. Oh, yeah, not just a minute. No, withdraw ne petition now filing. Because when you 6 ninti, I now kind affidavit now, make kind mun sembiacho. And no withdraw ye. It's your withdraw ye. No cost static kind 21 days from 6 because you say, oh, Mr. Nindam, a former member of parliament, and then a lawyer for ya training the omun ditro. It no, and na or withdraw ye. And no static kind fee on the 6th of January, 21 days. No go file a petition after 21 days. One carry. Ye di assembly ye jina dakam ye bisa. In fact, electoral commission penny no jina dakam ye bisa and say ye then also some collation center NDC ni. O say na ntokwa bi asi wo ha and I say no senti una so de kire and these okbo mama ne say yes san de akọ baby foforo ye wantimi enye an. Na judge say no. Ti me mko ye ni anu mu ni ho. Mi ntimi nji we ntu. Eti judge no aye bibia wie amotemu bi. One raise issue bia and ye judge na man judgment we. Na a far election petition a far parliamentary hono. And can see what court of appeal and Supreme Court.
That's right.
But you see, with this one, near quite say who says some quite appeal on Belus because facts cause who election say oh man near maybe. Because appeal near best share. A dance here, bar high court na. So they then decided to no yan technicality be oh no say hey there be yan na they call 6 January no. Kranya papa. Ne momu no akwatia case ya mimi di anim no. Court no ama this is the ruling of akwatia. Court na ka e wa ha no me kan ba bia kire. Say yen gazette na e wa ha Ghana nia results wo mu no 24th December na nye 6 January. No mo NPP for ye ragari e wo mu bi ono so challenge say 6 January no. Yen ye kase 24th ma court ajatum afei omo na de 6 ko no ma dane omo ani ese 24th na e papa etino say no 24th December and a date for gazette nti at the time ye run withdraw ye no sa ko file based on 6 January there no he was out of time esa so omo beat no captain what you say omo beat no say wo ko file no after almost filing about 31 days because on the after normal kind of 24 for now a year original no more 6 so fine now the Supreme Court looks at it and says on the face of the record no there because of the Akwatia case no maka and the amount say 24th December next of filing out of time that's the majority decision of the 4-1 yenya reasoning no ye train say on the 6th but I suppose to say the 4 no echo with the strict interpretation say on the previous way no really no and now back on the case because you see I disagree with the Supreme Court and they say the court now as we call the Supreme Court only exercise a supervisory jurisdiction and no more ordinary jurisdiction now there be omo supervisory no as a court ketua bia ye bibia etiam rapa and wako into quite no sano to be questioned here right judicial review. Now this is it. It is a discretionary relief. It is Supreme Court, etnasi omo be bia fa asem no ho ansa no ma granted ni oma ka kire o ma kire wo law school no including o conduct nti Captain Smart se sebe ukobokro no de ya de na so all the ba Supreme Court ho na wasem o de crap ensan kro no na oboy nti omo granted sa relief ni ma ye kaza discretionary relief ase no so I'm amazed say ufesa ene ni omo file wo Tamale High Court in copy on the 6th of January. I'll tell you something. Electoral Commission case na me ye no. Sa yi say ye bi the buy. Maybe them challenges say no kre. Ye throw letter command Ghana Publishing Company. Ni nia court no in a ruling no court no my decision no American actual. It turned out say Ghana Publishing for nye gazette bia 6 January. Electoral Commission ankasa so by Supreme Court be can say omo so enye gazette bia 6 January. So now the question we keep asking is say na munya 6 January gazette notification ya mo de kwada High Court Tamale munya ne. And that has been a bone of contention. And it can never happen in this country. See, you be the na baby ko omunya asade we no omo de afase na ne omo no tres NDC fo na echinchim obinsa sa asem no so pese ohun asem num no kra ye nkodi asem no ne course wa battle en fa technicality but if you decide to use technicalities anya Supreme Court mo de sade we ko dada ye wura no na mo withdraw ye na fe mu ma de na mo de ba mo adwane afi ho. I've listened to Mr. Nyindam a couple of times our media ubisa no say o ho de ya tra ho ubisa say sade we unya wo here Osio yatra ho Supreme Court akasa. Sir, this is a criminal offense.
Hey.
Yes, perjury. You don't. When you file an affidavit, this is the affidavit. When you file an affidavit, evidence. You be lawyer be obekacho.
Okay.
It's once you file it, evidence. And perjury, nene say, so we file it there at the court. Ah, we names are there in your papa and your no cre. Na so we de kodan court. Perjury. Perjury is a second degree felony. And trust me, this matter is just the beginning. Assuming, say,
Supreme Court
no, because the Supreme Court did not have that jurisdiction. I've heard people talk about fraud in the idea is the Supreme Court area. Because Supreme Court exercise only a supervisory jurisdiction, and the supervisory jurisdiction, either the right to be heard, and excess jurisdiction or lack of jurisdiction. And so, of course, you can. And Supreme Court is it's a very, very smart court. You see, because only the apex court. But said there for now. What we need to do, the angle will. No, because let me read something to you. They filed a similar one also from the ruling. Okay. Also from the High Court upwards to this court. The crux of applicant's case remained unchanged. It was this that at the time the petition was filed in the High Court on 31st December 2024. The results of the parliamentary election had not been gazetted. They are similar. Okay. The results, according to him, was gazetted on the 6th January 2025. It was gazetted on the 6th of January 2025. By law, no valid petition could have been filed. In effect, the petition of 31st December 2024 was incapable of invoking the jurisdiction of the High Court whatsoever. Consequently, all processes filed by the first respondent, the first interested party, and all other rulings was obtained. He obtained upon the petition in the trial are void. And all catcher or say, or say this provision is devoid of any ambiguity. A person seeking to, or say with the crucial facts established, the applicants, yes, or say. A petition seeking to challenge the results of the parliamentary elections on grounds save an allegation of corrupt or payment of money or other reward on behalf of the one being challenged or his knowledge shall be presented within 21 days. No debate turned on the fact that the first respondent party was challenging the results on grounds that corruption of payment of money or reward was given. The petition presented on 31st December 2024 was within 21 days after the publication of the Gazette 2024. Because now the Supreme Court established to say there was no way Now, the central issue in this case, therefore, was when was the result of the Akwatia parliamentary election gazetted? This could only be a simple question of fact, even though the Gazette notification carried the legal effect. In his affidavit in support, the applicant attached Exhibit D as an extract of Gazette notification. On the extract, the date of the Gazette was stated 6 January 2025. The interested party filed a further supplementary affidavit in opposition on this date and exhibited this. The Electoral Commission, as second defendant party, filed an affidavit to which was attached a Gazette, the same as Exhibit 11, filed by the interested party. From the affidavit evidence, finally, before this court, it was established that the Gazette notification of number 234, dated 24th December 2024, was the valid one. And when he copied it, we therefore had no difficulty finding that the results of the Akwatia parliamentary elections were gazetted on 24th December and not 6 January 2020. So this is exactly what it is. It is as 6 January because Captain.
Okay, Abusia, we ne ensema ekọ so ewo political highway ne so eye NDC lawyer Bediako ono ene chese ene Captain Smart etwetwe san komo na abusua expose upon expose ye de ebrema enye izikra abusua ye bekai mo ye beka chem some stay tuned on eye Kpandai insensema ekọ so na ha ena ye be break any latest updates bia ebekọ so bia no na according to a lawyer Bediako no or say week we mu ena a Supreme Court ebesan so de ho nsem bi ababeto na yaye crowd say Kpandai sensem no details bi ewo mu bia no ye beba be break no ha ede amama abusia yensem mbre beda masesa mo jepene kokotiza ensem we ede mi aha Ghana Politics Avenue. So and don't forget to click on the notification bell so any updates be ever dropping on so once able to me akabi beda mase.